Hello everyone. So, if you are relocating to Belgium, whether it's Brussels, Ghent, Antwerp, or any other city in Belgium, and you want to open your bank account for your salary, then this video is for you. I'm going to create a summary of top three options that you have of three different banks and then compare them, and then this will help you to make a decision where to open a bank account. So, here you go. So I have selected top three banks. First one is KBC. So you will see that this is one of the most prominent banks and lot of branches available for KBC in Belgium. So that's one option. The second option I have covered is ING Bank. That's yet another big bank in Europe. And the third one is relatively smaller bank, but that's something quite competitive offers they have. Hence I have included it, which is a BO Bank. So the first question typically people ask is, I don't have residence permit. I have just traveled. Can I still open a bank account? Answer is yes. So you don't really need a RP card to open account in any of these three banks. So that's something I already confirmed, and then I checked with my friends. So I have, so that is not required. RP card is not required at the account opening. However, while you are processing your permit, they must have issued you something called as Annex 49 or equivalent document that you must submit to a bank. Then along with that, you are also asked to submit a deputation letter, a rent agreement, and passport. So usually this is a set of documents common to all three banks. So make sure that you carry them with you when you're going to the bank. By the way, these days, because of COVID situation, they operate only with appointment. So make sure that you either take an appointment over a phone, or you go visit a bank, take an appointment, and then go to that scheduled appointment. So in this video, I have covered only the basic account because my intention is to cover the most cost effective account for a salary. Hence, I have considered only the basic account. So the KBC call it as a basic account, then ING call it as a Lion account, and then BO Bank calls it as a Go account. So let's talk about. So first and foremost question is, how much are the monthly charges? So to answer is simple. KBC basic account does not have any basic charges. However, you will see that ING does charge per month or per year charges for their even the basic account, which is called Lion account. While BO Bank does not have any charges, so their Go account is completely free of charge. So this is one definitely advantage for BO Bank and KBC. However, on the other hand, you will see the kind of card that they provide. So you will see BO Bank, usually you'll have to wait for your debit card. On the day of appointment, you will not get any debit card. However, your app would be configured. You should be able to do the transactions on your mobile app. However, you'll have to wait up to 2 weeks for your debit card to receive, and then you'll also receive a PIN separately, so which you can use that PIN to enable your account. So that was about BO Bank. On the other hand, KBC provides you kind of an immediate, so they will ask you if you wish, they will provide you an immediate debit card, and that debit card they will charge you around 7 euros for that, and then in couple of weeks you will receive your permanent card with your name stamped on it. So that's the process KBC follows. On the other hand, ING, you will see that they will give you an immediate card. That's your final card with a bigger expiry, and then you don't really need to wait for 2 weeks like others to get a card. So that's a definitely advantage ING. However, it comes at a cost, so you have seen that. Then comes your corporate bonus. So check out whether your company or employer is having any tie-up with any of these banks. And usually I have seen the banks like BO Bank and ING, they do provide the bonus of 100 euros. If you get a 3 consecutive months salary in your account, then they will, on 4th month, they will add you the bonus of 400 euros on your account, which is quite handsome amount. So make sure that ING and please make a note of ING and BO Bank offer this. However, currently while I make this video, this offer was not there for KBC. Then referral bonus, each one of them have is, but again BO Bank I found quite impressive offer. If you are referring someone, you will get 30 euros, and the person who is referred also gets 20 euros. So feel free to refer your friends and earn more as you onboard many more friends on this bank account. Then you have instant payments. That's an important aspect. So many people need this. However, people like me, who really don't need any payment to be an immediate one, like if otherwise in the supermarket we can always use our cards. However, the online transfer can wait for me. Hence, this is not an issue. However, those who need definitely immediate transfer or instant transfer, I suggest you take a corresponding facility. Like in the basic accounts, usually this is not provided. It might take as long as 2 working days for fund to be transferred from one bank to the other bank. If it is same bank, then usually it is done on the same day. However, it has to be within the working hours 9 to 6. If it is a little more than 9 to 5, then this will transaction will be treated the next day. So make sure of please make a note of this. On the other hand, ing transfer is always immediate, so that's a definitely advantage ing, but it always comes at a cost. You have seen that. And then it's me account, that's a value added service that BO Bank couldn't provide. However, other two KBC and ing support this kind of a service, which is more of a single sign-on service used for various government services, including say COVID certificate you want to download. So you can use this it's me account for that. So that's an advantage for KBC and ing. However, BO Bank does not have it. And then last but not the least, communication, because usually you have seen the bank for KBC Bank and ing, if you specify that you are expat and you expect English, then all your communication would be, whether it's letter or emails, everything would be in English. Bank app is always there in English. And then on the other hand, BO Bank, I have seen that the communication is always in Dutch and French, although the app is in English, and then you can use Google Translator or Chrome extension to do the translation. However, overall, if you see, I found BO Bank account is quite competitive, and then you get a lot of benefits out of it. If you are okay with the basic transactions, not keen on the instant payments, then I suggest you can go with the BO Bank. Otherwise, other two options are also good. One disclaimer, I have an account with BO Bank and I have been happy with the account so far, but then I leave it up to you to do the right analysis and take a decision about which account suits your needs. All right, thank you, thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please feel free to provide your comments and like this video. Thank you.